Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I welcome you once again, our viewers. I go by names of Rebecca Fatih. I thank our viewers for being always active whenever we have our program, The Legal Perspective. I thank you all. Last time we appeared before you, we covered different aspects of the law, but all compound in the property conveyancing, how someone can protect his or her property. Today, we are going to cover, basically, we're going to go into insurance. We're going to cover more of insurance, courtesy of our sponsors, Insurance Secretary of Uganda. We're going to cover a bit of insurance, marine insurance in particular. Remember that marine insurance policy has now been made compulsory to importers and exporters of Uganda. So it is pertinent that importers and exporters should they should use marine insurance whenever they are transacting to importing and exporting cargo into Uganda and outside Uganda. As you are aware that the rationale of insurance is to indemnify the insured of any losses, unforeseen losses. You know that in our businesses, we always face force majeures, unforeseen circumstances in our businesses. So to be protected, you have you're supposed to have an insurance cover to protect you. So today we are going to cover marine insurances, those who export and export overseas. And today, basically, you're going to cover marine insurance policy, and you're going to have a benefit of covering a bit of Marine Insurance Act, and maybe in the future we shall have a benefit of covering Marine Insurance Act as a whole, to have the benefit of understanding what Marine insurance means under the law, and how you can recover the losses from the local insurers. You remember that back in the days, the importers and exporters, more of the importers into Uganda, they used to use foreign insurance companies. So it will be very hard for the insured to recover the losses. But here now, it is made mandatory for importers in Uganda and exporters to have an insurance cover whenever you're going to import and export. So the rationale behind that the policy is basically, it is now more effective that the insured it is more accessible to local insurance companies. For example, we have Jubilee Insurance, we have CIC, we have a lot of companies. So when you're importing or exporting, you can face these local traders, insurance traders, and get a marine insurance cover. And the importance of the same is basically when you face the marine insurance, it is more easier to approach the local company to be indemnified. So for starters, we shall first define marine insurance, what it means, and under the Marine Insurance Act basically means it's an agreement where the insurer undertakes to indemnify the insured against losses, and basically this loss, the difference between other losses being indemnified, this marine loss, it must be subject to marine adventure, and we're going to go and see what is a marine adventure. As you are aware that back in the days, these importers, like abantu abayingiza ebyamaguzi oba n'oku-exporting n'okuyingiza, ku-exporting okufulumya ebyamaguzi okutwala ebuli ggwanga n'oku-importing ebyamaguzi, for example, abayingiza amamotoka, abayingiza cargo like engoye, biki like tutwala tugende bya kulemesa y'abaana, everything, name it by a few. So emalirako my insurance ebadde, it has been an option that it is at the option of the trader to either get or not. So it is probabilities. Naye my insurance bagireseewo okubeera nga bagifudde mandatory okubeera nga eyambako omusuubuzi ono like import and export ono okubeera nga abeera covered like either way, just in case abeera nga facing ebizibu ng'emmeeri ye ebeera nga facing ebizibu during transit. So marine insurance bagireseewo, the policy has been mandated by the Insurance Regulatory Authority of Uganda okuyambako trade or like the import and export okubeera nga covering unforeseen losses during transit of the goods. And among the rationale behind the policy is that now the insured abeera nga ayangula okubeera nga facinga kibeera nga kimwanguya okubeera nga atuukirira local insurer okubeera nga okutuukira, it is more easy for you okubeera nga otuukirira CIC, okubeera nga otuukirira APU, okubeera nga otuukirira these arbitrary companies here in Uganda than you okubeera nga claiming your losses from a foreign insurance company. So it is bakikoze like nga kirungi nnyo like eri omusuubuzi than okuzinga obulabe okubeera nga bunyigiriza omusuubuzi. So we're going to look at marine insurance as a policy. Marine insurance etegeeza ki kirina okubeera nga kiri covered under marine insurance. So we are going to talk about it briefly, but we shall go deep further okubeera nga tulaba legal aspects concerning marine insurance. So we have a local legislation which is Marine Insurance Act governing insurance za transit marine insurance. And under the act, marine insurance is being defined, where it is defined as an agreement where the insurer agrees to indemnify the insured as to the extent being agreed against the marine losses, but subject to marine adventure. So mukunyonyola kwangu marine insurance y'endagaano ebeera wakati wa company ya insurance okubeera nga esasula obuzibu obuba buguddewo ku byamaguzi by'omuntu mu kaseera nga biri mu transit ey'okubeera nga bimutuukako. Naye that indemnification, it is subject to marine adventure. Marine adventure ki? Marine adventure nakyo the law amateeka gagenda maaso kubeera nga nakyo nga gakola ki nga gakidefyininga, naye tugenda kukinyonyola nga tuvudde mu kuwummulamu kuno.
Hello, Uganda! Get ready for an unforgettable week. The annual Insurance Week starts Monday, March 10th to Thursday, 13th March at the Millennium Park, Lugogo, formerly KCCA grounds. Join the insurance fraternity to a week-long event dedicated to helping you learn, understand, and appreciate everything about protecting what matters most. From home and health to life and motor. Whether you're a first-time buyer, a business owner, or just curious about how insurance works, this event is for you. So what are you waiting for? Make this week the best of your learning adventure. Remember, access to the avenue is completely free of charge. Come get insurance expert advice, discover tips on saving money, understand how to claim and lodge a complaint, unlock the knowledge you need to make smarter decisions with hands-on workshops, live question and answer sessions, and plenty of freebies. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Free medical checkups and screening for hepatitis B, blood pressure, breast and prostate cancer screening, HIV testing, and counseling. Free eye checkup and blood donation. The annual Insurance Week is organized by the Insurance Regulatory Authority of Uganda in partnership with the Uganda Insurers Association, the Insurance Training College, the Insurance Brokers Association, and the Uganda Association of Engineering Valuers and Loss Assessors, the Uganda Agro Consortium, Uganda Revenue Authority, National Social Security Fund, Financial Intelligence Authority, Africa RE, ICPAU, and many others. IRA Uganda, driving insurance growth.
Welcome back from that short break. Tunyokuya tuengereyo ku kulauka for marine insurance. Who can claim under marine insurance? Under which circumstances do marine insurance covers come into play? So tukomye tugamba nti marine insurance contract comes into play where this insured property faces a maritime marine adventure. So a marine adventure okukinyonnyola, the Marine Insurance Act defines a marine adventure as a circumstance where the insured property faces a maritime peril. A maritime peril webuzibu obusangibwa during the transit of the property. So marine adventure kyekintu ekigwawo like unforeseen problems ezigwawo ku byamaguzi kube biri mu transit, gamba nga ebintu okugwa mu nnyanja, ebintu like during the navigation okubeera nga muko eryato likwata omuliro obanga ebintu like bifuna obuzibu oba bifunye like ababbi sea pirates, ebintu like obeera nga byoneddwa oba ng'omuyaga. So marine adventure, amateeka gatulaga under the Marine Insurance Act nti every lawful marine adventure ebeera nga subject to marine insurance contract. So ekintu kyonna kyonna ekigwamu nga bigwa tebiraze ebeera nga byonoona like ebintu ebeera nga biri mu transit, the insurer must indemnify the insured. But remember that these perils must be consequential to the navigation of these goods. So claiming zibunde ebintu ebirina okubeera nga byonebwa during the transit of those goods. So ekintu ekigwawo after transit, it may not be subject to marine insurance cover, but subject to the terms and conditions of the insurance contract. We shall go further to see who can claim under marine insurance cover. Twalabye mu kusooka wali nti marine insurance cover eno one of the rationales nti the insured ayangu okubeera nga aclaiminga losses okuva wa local insurer. So it is more easier for insured to approach CIC term than approaching the international, the foreign companies. Yeah. Now, when you look on who can claim under marine insurance, in law, under the insurance law, we have a person called a person who has insurable interests. and who has insurable interest under marine insurance. And under the Marine Insurance Act, any person who has an interest in a marine adventure can claim under marine insurance. How? Any person, omuntu yenna yenna abeera ng'alina interest, abeera ng'alina I don't know ng'alina kyafuna oba kyafiirwa mu marine adventure asobola okubeera nga claiminga under marine insurance in case there is marine loss. So in other words, under Marine Insurance Act, omuntu yenna yenna abeera nga akosebwa ebintu bino ebiri in transit, okutuuka oba obutatuuka, okubifuna nga biriko obuzibu oba okufuna nga tebiriko buzibu, wabeera nga alina kyafiirwa, it can be a third party, it can be omuntu yenna yenna naye ng'alina interest mu insured property asobola okubeera nga claiminga under the marine insurance. And the good thing under marine insurance is that n'omuntu alina contingent interest asobola okubeera nga claiminga muki, asobola okubeera nga claiminga under marine insurance. How? The contingent interest yeewa in case omuntu ono wabeera nga yali asazeewo like abeere nga asazaamu contract ey'ebintu okumuweereza ebintu, oba delay y'omuntu eya supplier oba eya manufacturer n'abeera nga asalawo like okubeera nga neglecting contract, asobola okubeera nga claiminga under marine insurance bwe biba nga ebintu babiteeka in transit ne waba nga abadde yakola ki, ne wabeera nga abadde yasazaamu contract. So omuntu oyo asobola okubeera nga claiming under marine insurance just in case obeera nga buguddeyo ebizibu bwonna bwonna ku ki, ebintu ebibeera nga biri mu transit. So marine insurance, it is more of an advantage to you than being a hindrance to the traders. So I urge all people, all traders, the importers, especially the importers, because in Uganda we are more of importers than exporters. So marine insurance, it is more good than bad to you, the importer or exporter. So I urge all importers and exporters to use marine insurance, to use more of local insurance, because it will be more easy for you to access the local insurer. And in case of failure of the insurer, you can face the Federal Authority of Insurance, and you can be indemnified in case of any loss. So I thank you all for being on, and I urge you to be always on, and always check on our channel for more videos concerning the law and all other aspects of the law. So see you. God bless you. See you next week.